Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to learn some patterns and strokes that will help us to write the capital letters A to Z. So let's start. For this, we need 4 lines exercise book, jumbo crayons, and pencil. Initially, they will be scribbling with jumbo crayons. Once they get proper grip, they can move on to pencil. So we will start with our first pattern. First pattern is the standing line, that is up to down. First, we will show them from red line to blue lines. Then we will give them the dots. We will ask them to join the dots. This way, make them practice 2 to 3 lines. Then comes the sleeping line from left to right. First, we have to show them how to do. Then we have to give them the dots and we have to ask them to join the dots. Initially, teach one pattern on each day. Once they get a proper grip, then you can teach 2 or 3 patterns on a day. Similar manner, teach the left slanting line from top to bottom towards the left. Then give the dots, ask them to practice 2 to 3 lines in the similar. Then comes the right slanting line from up to down towards the right. First draw the lines and then give the dots, ask them to join the dots. Our fifth pattern is upward curve. In the similar manner, first we will draw the curves in the 4 lines exercise books and then we will give the dots, ask them to join the dots. We have to give this joining of dots for 2 to 3 times at least to get a proper grip or to get proper confidence to do the curves. Next comes the downward curve or the inverted curve. This is just the opposite of the upward curve. Just show them how to draw, then give the dots, ask them to join. Our seventh pattern is the mountain pattern. It is like 2 slanting lines joining together, but we have to start from down, go up, and come down. In this manner, first show them, give the dots, ask them to follow the same. Our next pattern is the side curve, and this is joint curves. First, we have to show them in the 4 lines exercise book, starting from the red line touching the blue lines. Mention the lines also while teaching. Our ninth pattern is the range pattern. Without lifting the pencil, we have to draw this pattern. We have to start from the blue line, touch the red line, again come down. It will be like a 2 slanting lines joining together. Next is the wave pattern. This is also without lifting the pencil, they have to draw the pattern. Our next pattern is the curtain pattern. It is also a continuous pattern. Without lifting the pencil, we have to make them do this one. Initially, they will take some time, but slowly, once they practice daily, it will become very easy for them. Next comes the wall pattern. It is like sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Continuously, they have to practice these lines without lifting the pencil. I hope you liked the session. Watch out my next video for the later patterns. Till then, bye.